In this video, I will guide you on how to create a Facebook passkey. First, launch open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the menu icon at the top left corner of your screen. From here, scroll down and find Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Once you land on your settings, find the option of Account Center and tap on that. Now find Password and Security and select that. Here you should be able to find the option of Passkey. Tap on it. Now tap on Create Passkey. Here, tap on Create Passkey to confirm. Now wait for some time. Now accept any prompts that you can see. After some time, your passkey will be successfully created and it will be saved in Google Password Manager. If you prefer, you can also choose Save Another Way and follow the on-screen instructions. After your setup is complete, you can use your passkey to sign into Facebook without entering your password on supported device. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.